Hi, I'm Carly from Nifty, and today I'm going to show you how to make this pleated wrap. So we'll start by measuring the paper. It's already been measured out, but I will explain how we measured it. So basically you're going to take like a standard wrap, so you would meet your paper over the box. And then you want to determine however many pleats you want. So here I have 3, and they are a 1/2 inch each. So for each pleat or fold, we're going to have 3 units of measure. So since they're a 1/2 inch, I have a total of 4.5 extra inches added to wherever the paper meets each other on the package. Okay, in addition to that measuring, you want to have enough paper on the side so that when you end up completing your wrap, all parts of the package are covered. Right, so when you start folding your pleats, I find it easiest to fold and then do the wrap. So since I had 4.5 extra inches, I'm going to first fold my paper up those 4.5 inches, creasing as you go. And then I'm going to fold it back over, kind of accordion style, to make sure that this little fold where I crease it again and where I made my first fold should be a 1/2 inch. So now you have your first fold. If you were to turn it over, you have 1 fold there. And then you're just going to repeat that exact same thing 2 more times so that you have a total of 3 folds. So I come back down. This time it would be a total of 1 inch from where I started. So I should have a 1/2 inch fold on the other side. And again, folding it back 1/2 inch.
So each fold is adding on to the first measurement.
Okay, so again, when you turn it over, you should now have 2 folds. And then we will do the very last one. To make the last 1/2 inch. Then you should have 3 folds. All right, so now that you have your folds made on the top of your paper, you're going to place the gift with the top side facing up. So kind of unconventional, but you're going to bring your wrap together at the top of the gift. So you'll tape here, and then you'll bring this fold over to meet it at the top so that your folds can be seen on the top of the gift. So we're using double-sided tape, so I'm just going to add it to the edge of the paper and bring it up over the top of the box package. And then same thing on this other side where I have my folds. And then you might notice that the folds will kind of come apart as you're wrapping. However, it will all stick down once you fold the sides in. So make it as tight as possible and secure. Okay, so again, these might come undone as you're going, but you're going to wrap the sides just like you would a normal gift. So we'll fold in the corners. Like so. Take up the bottom. And then you would anchor, you would anchor the top, folding under so that you can't see the seam. I've anchored the bottom piece, and then you will simply fold the edge. This is what's going to secure each of the folds. Take the tape. your folds aren't going anywhere. And there you have it. I'm gonna finish off the package with a bow. You can use any ribbon, and making sure that the edges are nice and straight and crisp before adding the bow. I am going to put the bow on the opposite side of the package from the folds, so it will end up on the right side over here. And then we'll add a Nifty gift tag onto the package as well. You can use twine, or I'm just using a little black ribbon here. And bring it to the bow. Rearrange, make it look nice. And there you have it.